Sixth part, the sixth question, the first part is 1 by 3 raised to power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 raised to power minus 1, okay, and the whole power minus 1. तो पहले जो ब्रैकेट के कर्ली ब्रैकेट के अंदर है we are going to solve it, okay. So it is, जब भी आपका बेस नेगेटिव होता है, बेस पॉजिटिव होता है और पावर नेगेटिव होता है, to make this power positive हम क्या करते हैं, इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेते हैं. तो x का रेसिप्रोकल is 1 by x and the power becomes positive, okay. Now 1 by 3 raised to power minus 1, तो 1 by 3 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा, 3 by 1. 3 by 1 लिखिए या 3 लिखिए, सेम. सो लिखिए 3 and the power will become positive. तो आप इसको ऐसे मेंशन कर सकते हैं, लेकिन 3 हमको सबको पता है कि 3 raised to power 1 will be 3 only, okay. So I am not writing it. Then minus 4 raised to power is the same, that is 4, okay. And outside this curly bracket there is power minus 1, okay. पहले हम इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. So it is 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 power minus 1, okay. So आप अगर इसको, if you are going to leave it here you can leave it, or if you are going to write it in the positive exponent then also you can take the reciprocal and will get the same only. Minus 1 upon 1 is 1, so let it be, keep that, or the value is this, okay. Hello children, back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. In the second part of the sixth question, the question is 5 upon 8 raised to power minus 7 into 8 upon 5 raised to power minus 4. What we are going to do is that first ये जो आपका fraction है जिसका power minus 7 है, we are going to change this minus 7 into positive. So how you can do it? जब भी कोई base का power negative होता है, to make it positive we write it seriously equal, okay. यहाँ पे मैं एक बार और बताती हूँ, अगर x का रेसिप्रोकल 1 by x है तो 1 by x का रेसिप्रोकल will be x, okay. ठीक है. So 5 by 8, तो इस पावर को -7 को +7 में चेंज करने के लिए we will write the reciprocal. तो 5 upon 8 will become 8 upon 5. तो -7 into 8 upon 5 minus 1. मैंने इसको इसलिए नहीं चेंज किया so that we'll get the same base. Now we have the same base 8 upon 5, 8 upon 5. Now we can apply the product rule of laws of exponents. So according to that law, जब bases same होते हैं और powers different होते हैं और operation of multiplication apply होता है, तो powers get added. So it will be n plus n, okay. Now we have got the same base 8 upon 5, 8 upon 5. So we'll write 8 upon 5 as the base and the powers mark. Okay, this will become 7 and this is plus minus 4. Okay, now 8 upon 5, 7 plus minus, so 7 minus 4, that is 8 upon 5 raised to power 3. Okay, so children, you can leave the answer here also, okay, or you can expand it. That is, you can multiply 8 3 times and 5 3 times. So it will be 8 into 8 into 8 will be 512 upon 125. Okay children.